lovely experience to be in France. When they announced it, the guys were excited. The guys were looking forward to it. The mood in the camp is one of excitement. The guys can't wait for the game to start tomorrow. We're going to use this as preparation, obviously, for the AFCON qualifiers coming in June. So this is a massive opportunity for us to go out there and perform and do well. And like the coach said, put our names out there as South Africans. So we're looking forward to the game. And yeah, we're just happy to be here.